In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Steam account without email or password. Start by opening a web browser and heading to the Steam login page. Instead of trying to sign in, click the option that says I can't sign in or forgot your account. To begin the recovery process. Even if you don't remember your email or your password, Steam support can still help by searching for your account using other details, like your account name or a phone number you previously added. On the search screen, enter anything you might have used with the account, a possible email address, your Steam account name, or a phone number. If you're not sure, you can enter a placeholder email just to access the search flow. Complete the CAPTCHA to prove you're not a bot, then run the search. If your account appears in the results, select it. When prompted, choose the option like I no longer have access to this email so you can proceed without needing your old inbox or password. Next, you'll verify that you're the owner of the account. This is the most important step. Provide as much concrete evidence as you can. Useful items include purchase receipts for games or wallet top-ups, payment information such as the last 4 digits of a card used on Steam or a PayPal transaction ID, the original email or phone number you linked to the account, and approximate dates of purchases. The more specific and consistent your details are, the faster support can confirm ownership. When uploading proof, attach clear photos or scans that are easy to read, and submit everything within a single support ticket rather than making multiple separate requests. Keep images sharp and complete, and only include the non-sensitive parts support asks for. A short, factual description of the situation helps explain that you've lost access to the email and password and that you're requesting recovery based on the evidence you've provided. After you submit, wait for Steam support to review your case. This can take time, so keep an eye on your inbox for follow-up questions and respond promptly with any requested details. Avoid submitting duplicate tickets, since that can slow things down. Once access is restored, immediately secure your account. Turn on Steam Guard and update your recovery options so you have a current email and, if possible, a phone number attached. This ensures that if you ever get locked out again, you'll have a fast, reliable way back in. Thanks for watching.